Hello students, this is Ms. Estrada. Today is Monday, May 4th, 2020. And this week we're going to start working with skip counting by 2's, by 5's, by 10's, up to numbers to 120. Today's objective says, I will review how to skip count by 2's as well as counting by 5's as a way to make counting easier and faster. I will use the sentence stems blank is 2 more than blank, 2 more than blank is blank, blank is 5 more than blank, 5 more than blank is blank. We have a little visitor today. She's my daughter. Her name is Fiorella, and she's going to help us with some videos. Fiorella, can you help me counting the eggs, please?
Sure, Mom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, that actually works. A faster way to count.
There is. It's called skip counting. I'm going to tell you about it. All right, Fiorella, I'm going to teach you a way to count faster, and it's called skip counting. Okay? I want you to take chips. Now put them on a side. Okay, take two more. How many do you have? Okay, how many do you have more? Okay, two more. And what are we doing?
Let's
Good job. So that is a way to count faster. Okay, so I want you to keep counting like this and tell me how much.
chips. 22 chips. 24 chips. 26 chips. 28 chips. 30 chips. 21 chips. This one.
32? Okay, it was 32. I was waiting for you to find out. 32? Okay, and what is 2 more than 32? Give me a full sentence. 2 more than 32 is?
2 more than 32 is going to be 24.
Good job.
26, but we don't have a partner.
You don't have a partner for that one. You know what? That makes that we have an odd number of chips. Have you ever heard of the words even and odd numbers?
Yes.
What are even numbers, Philip?
Even numbers are the numbers that totally they have pairs.
Uh-huh.
Odd numbers are the ones that don't have pairs. Look, these ones are pairs because we have 4. But if we just have 1, this one will be an odd number because we have
Okay, good job with explanation. I was going to tell you that even numbers are the ones that you can divide into two equal sides. Okay? For example, if you have 4, you can divide it by 2, and you have 2 groups of 2. That's an even number. An odd number is a number on each side. Are those numbers that you cannot cut them in half? Okay, for example, if you have 5, okay, there's no way you can make 2 groups of the same number with the number 5. Okay? Well, good job. I think you got it. Let's keep practicing. So, according to what Fiorella and I discussed earlier, we discussed even numbers and odd numbers. But just pay attention to the ending of each number. all numbers that end in 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0 are even numbers, while every number that ends in 1, 3, 5, 7, or 9 are going to be odd numbers. So now here we have an exercise with a lot of pairs of socks, and we also have a 100 chart here. What are we going to do? Since we pairs of socks, we have 2 socks for each one, we are going to count them by 2's. Let me get my pointer. As you could see, we're gonna go from 0 to 2 because we're going to skip count, okay? So from 0 to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and so on, okay? Let's count together. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, and 2 more than 32 is 34. Very good. Good job. And now it seems like Fiorella has a better idea on how to count the eggs.
Very way faster to count. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, and 36.
Good job. See? It is an easier way. All right, now let's keep practicing on counting by 5's this time. All right, Fiorella, I want you to tell me how many cubes do you have in front of you?
I have 5 cubes.
And what happens if you add 5 more?
I would have 10 cubes.
Can you put them together?
Sure.
Okay, so now you have 10. And what is 5 more than 10?
Then I will have 50 cubes.
Okay. As we talk, you can keep moving them. Okay. And then what else? 5 more. What is 5 more than 15?
5 more than 15 are 20.
5 more than 15 is 20. Good job. And what are we doing here?
We are skip counting by 5.
We are skip counting by 5's. Very good job. Now I want you to keep counting and tell me how many cubes we have in total here.
Okay.
How many do you have already?
I have 20 cubes.
Okay, so what is 5 more than 20?
5 more than 20 is 25.
Okay, keep counting.
Then 5 more than 25 is 30. 5 more than 30, it's 35. 5 more than 25, it is 5. But 5 more than 35, it will give us 40. That's a big number. 5 more than 40, it will be 50.
45.
45. And then 5 more than 45, it will be 50.
Good job. So what are we doing here?
Skip counting by 5.
Good job. Skip counting by 5's. All right, so we were discussing skip counting by 5's, and in this example we have tally marks. Remember that tally marks are made of 4 vertical lines and 1 line across. Okay, so that every time you see the symbol, that mark, you know that it stands for 5. There are 5 lines in here. So we also have the 100 chart here. And in this time, we're going to count by 5. So every number that ends in 5 or ends in 10, we jump from 0 to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, and so on. So let's count here. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, and what is 5 more than 45? 5 more than 40, 5 more than 45 is 50. Good job. 5 more than 45 is 50. Okay, let's continue. Fiorella, can you count how many fingers we have here? Fiorella, can you count how many fingers we have here?
Yes. 5, 10, 15,
All right, now after this lesson, I want you to go to Schoology and work on today's assignment. Today's assignment will be about skip counting. You will find these two images here, and I want you to count how many fish, how many bananas can you see in the picture. Also, I want you to answer using the sentence stems. There are blank fish in the fish tanks. I counted by. How did you count? By 1's, by 2's, by 5's? And also, you have the other sentence stem that says there are blank bananas. I counted by, again, by 2's, by 5's, by 10's, by 1's. Okay? So, I think this is it for today. Remember, please, to work on your assignments on Schoology, and I will see you next week. Bye-bye.